Hello everybody and welcome to this introduction to the new EMEA Enablement program for SAP Crystal Solution resellers. My name is Francesco Leto and I work within the EMEA Enablement team for SAP, taking care of enablement initiatives for SAP partners. Today with me there is Luca Granzotto, who is the Director of EMEA Distribution. Luca, would you please tell us what are your business priorities for this year 2011 and what are the major challenges that you are looking forward to face?
Sure. Hello Francesco, hello everybody. As I shared with our partners at the beginning of the year, after a 2010 of growth for EMEA distribution, 2011 is the year of acceleration for us. Mm-hmm. And we have identified three main areas that we want to address in order to help us and our partners in driving this acceleration. The first one is to be prepared and ready to uptake the new portfolio that will be available later this year. Mm-hmm. The second one is a new strategy in terms of demand generation that is now much more aligned with the customer pain points and needs. And last but not least, we want to help our partners to become more productive, to have a more productive business with us, which means winning more against our competitors and of course increasing the opportunity at the customers by leveraging our entire portfolio.
That's very interesting, very challenging. Yes, I understand.
So how do you think the new program that you are developing will support these three elements of our business?
Well, thank you for your question, Luca. First of all, point number one, you mentioned expanding the portfolio. So as I understand, in Q2 we will have the new Crystal Solutions Portfolio 2011 coming up. So the enablement approach, specifically regarding the portfolio information, is, let's say, quick use information that will be available on Crystal Go. So you can imagine your reseller community, the sales or pre-sales executives, really looking forward for key information. That's what we want to provide. Not long-term training, not long-lasting enablement, let's say, paths or curriculums, but really quick information. So the idea is to develop product briefs, one-page documents where, for example, for the dashboard design, the presentation design, or the Crystal reports part of the product family, and later on also interactive analysis, the sales or pre-sales guy can quickly look forward and find the answer to the questions he might have while, for example, he's over the phone speaking with his prospect, really straight to the point. So that's the first point, as I said. Quick use content, but not only, we will also put this in video format, so we will have different assets. So we will be able to give the pre-sales guys, for example, the opportunity to show to his customer, to his prospect, how the product will look like in a short video, really over conferencing, share that using a YouTube video with his prospect. That's I think would be really useful in terms of time and managing the sales cycle for your resellers.
Very good. Now I understand how we can support our partners in being prepared with the new portfolio. But after that, how do we then support them in building an effective pipeline and ensuring they have enough opportunities to go through?
That's another good point, and this allows me to introduce also the topic of social media. Nowadays, social media is not only a new trend, but more and more companies are using that for their own demand generation activities to promote themselves on the market and find more opportunities and leads. So we have already experienced, for example, in another initiative, which is the Best Performance Challenge, we call them quick learning sessions about, for example, how to build your own demand generation plan, how to promote yourself as a company in a quick elevator pitch story, how to use maybe a customer reference and make him speak for you in a short YouTube video, and not only, but also present your solutions online. So again, we can take these assets, we can sort of rearrange them for the Crystal Solution reseller community and provide them on Crystal Go, ready to use for the marketing executives of the reseller community.
Very good. So we prepare the partners on our portfolio, we help them build in the pipeline. Now what we need to do is really to help our partners to become productive or more productive than they are today. So winning more against our competitors and leveraging our entire portfolio when they position it into our customers and prospect base. How do we do this?
Well, with these assets, which I remember, I would like to remind are quick use assets and will allow to manage your sales cycle more effectively, meaning managing more opportunities at the same time because you are able to provide quickly the information you need. This will help, of course, increase the win rate and, for example, also the deal size, adding more opportunities, having more leads, as I said, because you are able to promote yourself. We have seen, for example, that partners that do use social media and are more proactive in going to the market, achieving more revenue, for example, in one single quarter, more than they did in the previous 3 quarters in similar initiatives. I can mention, for example, Italian and French partners within the Best Performance Challenge achieving 65 to 70% of the revenue their own compared to the whole community in those countries. And the initiative was so good that almost 80% of the partners involved were planning to join again in the next edition on the upcoming year. So basically, the idea is using effective streamlined enablement that goes straight to the point and applying that into your sales cycle. You can increase the number of opportunities, you are able to propose more value to your prospects within the same opportunity, and hence increase the deal size and also the number of orders or ongoing opportunities within the same quarter. I think this will be very much useful for the reseller community and helping them also be more proactive and something that they can really use in their sales business. What do you think, Luca? Is that the kind of approach that this community would be looking forward for?
Yes, I think this program is something that I'm eager to see in market as soon as possible in the next few weeks. And hopefully have as many as possible of our partners going through this and taking the opportunity to enable their stuff. Thank you very much, Francesco.
Thank
and
you,
looking
Luca.
forward to this new program.
Thank you very much. And for our community, look forward on the Crystal Go portal for the, let's say, the track of all these assets, as I said, that will be available for sales, pre-sales and marketing roles, as well as, of course, developers who will be looking for main content, which we will have also there available. Thank you very much and stay tuned for more.